What if one of the world's most iconic supercars came back stronger, sharper, and more advanced than ever before? The 2027 Audi R8 is making headlines with its breathtaking design, electrified performance, and cutting-edge technology that could redefine the future of everyday supercars. Whether you're an Audi fan or simply love high-performance machines, this is a car you won't want to miss. Today, we're taking a complete look at everything the 2027 Audi R8 has to offer, from its stunning exterior and luxurious cabin to its incredible performance and expected pricing. Stay with us until the end because this might just be the most exciting Audi R8 ever imagined. Welcome back to the channel. If you're passionate about supercars, luxury vehicles, and the latest automotive news, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Now let's dive straight into the all-new 2027 Audi R8. The first thing that grabs your attention is its bold and futuristic design. The 2027 Audi R8 stays true to its legendary heritage while introducing a much more aggressive appearance. At the front, the signature Audi single-frame grille has become wider and lower, giving the car a commanding road presence. Slim matrix LED headlights feature advanced laser lighting technology that provides exceptional visibility while adding an unmistakable modern look. Large air intakes improve cooling and aerodynamic efficiency, while sculpted body lines create a sleek profile that looks fast even when standing still. Carbon fiber accents are used throughout the exterior, reducing weight while enhancing the premium appearance. The wide stance, muscular fenders, and sharp character lines make this R8 look more athletic than any previous generation. Moving to the side, you'll notice newly designed aerodynamic side blades that pay tribute to classic R8 models while improving airflow. Lightweight forged alloy wheels wrapped in high performance. Tires complete the aggressive profile. Around the rear, a full-width LED light bar, an active rear spoiler, and a redesigned diffuser create an unforgettable finish. Large exhaust outlets remind everyone that this is still a true performance machine. Inside, the cabin perfectly combines luxury with technology. Premium leather upholstery, Alcantara surfaces, carbon fiber trim, and brushed aluminum accents create an environment that feels both sporty and elegant. Every control is positioned around the driver, delivering the true cockpit experience that the R8 has always been known for. The fully digital Audi Virtual Cockpit offers customizable displays for navigation, performance data, and driving information. A large, high-resolution infotainment system supports wireless, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto, while voice controls make accessing features simple and intuitive. Wireless charging, multiple USB-C ports, and an advanced Bang & Olufsen premium sound system ensure every drive is as entertaining as it is exciting. The sports seats provide excellent support during spirited driving while remaining comfortable on long journeys. Heated and ventilated seat options, dual-zone climate control, and customizable ambient lighting further enhance the luxury experience. Now let's talk about what truly makes the Audi R8 special, its performance. Industry expectations suggest Audi could combine a powerful twin-turbocharged V8 engine with advanced hybrid technology, delivering approximately 800 horsepower. This electrified setup would offer explosive acceleration while improving efficiency and reducing emissions. Power is expected to be delivered through Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system, providing exceptional grip in all weather conditions. A lightning-fast dual-clutch automatic transmission ensures seamless gear changes, allowing the R8 to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 2.7 seconds. Top speed is expected to exceed 205 miles per hour, placing it among the fastest production supercars in its class. Handling is expected to be equally impressive thanks to adaptive magnetic suspension, rear-wheel steering, torque vectoring, and advanced electronic stability systems. These technologies work together to deliver incredible cornering confidence. While maintaining everyday usability, multiple drive modes allow drivers to switch between comfortable city, cruising, and aggressive track-focused performance with the push of a button. Safety has also received significant attention. The 2027 Audi R8 is expected to include adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, emergency braking assistance, parking sensors, a 360-degree camera system, and advanced driver assistance features that improve confidence without taking away from the driving experience. When it comes to pricing, the 2027 Audi R8 is expected to start at approximately $180,000 for the base model, while higher performance versions equipped with additional carbon fiber packages, premium interior options, and exclusive performance upgrades could easily exceed $250,000. Although it represents a significant investment, buyers will receive one of the most technologically advanced and exciting supercars Audi has ever created. The 2027 Audi R8 represents the perfect balance of breathtaking design, luxurious comfort, cutting-edge technology, and extraordinary performance. It continues the legendary R8 legacy, while embracing the future with electrified power and advanced engineering. For enthusiasts looking for a supercar that delivers excitement every time, they press the accelerator while remaining practical enough for everyday driving. The new Audi R8 promises to be one of the most desirable choices in its segment. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts about the 2027 Audi R8 in the comments below. See you in the next video.